So guys, you want to get the Windows installation media for the operating system that you're trying to get. So there's going to be two links down below in the description for Windows 11 and for Windows 10. You want to download the installation media and then put it into a USB. You could also get the ISO for it if you want to. Once we get to the setup page, choose either USB flash drive or the ISO file, whichever one that you downloaded. Then you want to continue on with the steps. So you want to choose your language and then click on next. Now once we get to here, you want to click on repair your computer, which will now bring us to here. And now once we're on this, you want to click on troubleshoot. I'm going to show you two things that we can try. So first, you want to go with startup repair. It's now going to start diagnosing your PC, wait for this to load. Hopefully it will then take you back into the setup page and it will be working for you. If that did not work, then you want to click on advanced options. For the second method, you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and this time command prompt. You want to type in chkdsk space c:// space /f space /r and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Once that's been done, you can close out of this, continue to Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.